Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about conditional statements in VBA. We will learn the if then else statement in VBA, one of the most important decision making tools in programming. It helps Excel perform different actions based on conditions. Let's start and see how it works. Practical examples. So first of all, what is if in VBA? It is used to check a condition and perform action based on true and false. And the syntax of if then else is if condition, then code if true, else code if the condition is false, and we will end the if statement by and if. So first of all let's check in Excel. So if A1 is greater than 50, then value if true, we have to say pass, comma value if false, we will say fail, and we will close the bracket. Since it is nothing, so it is showing for fail, let's write 60, it will say pass. Let's write 30, it will say fail. So now we will check this condition using VBA. So let's write first of all 60, then we will go to VBA and we will insert a new module, and we will start writing sub loop example, and we will write the code if range A3 is greater than 50, then message box pass, else message box fail. And if. So now we have written the code, and we will run this, and it says pass because it is greater than 50. Let's check this for some other values. It's failed. So we have learned if then else statement. If condition means our condition is range A1 is greater than 50, then code if true. If it is greater than 50, then what we have to say, we have to say that it is pass. Else what we have to say, it is fail, and ending the if statement by end if. So this was all about if then else statement. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.